Hi, this is Clay McKinney, Developer On-Ramp Introduction to HTML course, and today's lesson we're going to do two more inline text tags that are for insert, for showing text that you plan on inserting, and deleting. It's a delete tag. You put it around text that you plan on deleting, and the browser will make it look like you plan on inserting that text and deleting that text. And let's see how it does that. We've got our what is HTML document here, and I'm going to put the INS tag, that stands for insert, around this word, close INS, and then around delete I'm going to put DEL for delete, and close DEL. Okay, so those are inline tags. They're inside of that paragraph block, right? I'm going to save it, zip over here and refresh, and there it is. So the browser represented the inserted text as an underline, and it represented the text that we plan on deleting as strike through. So that's very intuitive, right? It's exactly what it looks like. Okay, word of warning. Don't use the insert tag just to underline something. There are reasons. The first reason is underlining is very old-fashioned. That's what people with typing on typewriters would do because they couldn't italicize, right? So it's just kind of old. And then another thing is that on the web, for links, browsers by default will underline links unless you tell it not to with cascading style sheets. So like here's some underlined links here, and people will assume when they see underlined text on the web that they can click on it, right? And then they're frustrated and sad. See, it hurts. It hurts. So don't use the insert tag just to underline something. Use it when you want to structurally declare that you're intending to insert some text, and use the DEL tag to structurally declare that you're intending to delete some text. So that is that. Oh, one other thing. If you have to underline something, like for a lawyer, a lot of legal documents have a lot of underlining. You can use a different tag and use cascading style sheets to make it look underlined. It's entirely possible. It's very easy. And I'll show you how to do that when we get to cascading style sheets. All right, thank you.